Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive, multiple OS pen drive. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. I am already download software ventoy 2 disk. Double click on the setup file. Okay, select here device. Okay, refresh this. Okay, click on install. The device will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue, click on yes. The device will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue, double check, click on yes. Please wait while software is installing in pen drive. You see software is installing. Please wait. Congratulations, ventoy has successfully installed. Okay, close this. After this step, open pen drive and select iOS file folder. Select all, copy, drag to pen drive. Okay, I am making a Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 11 multiple bootable pen drive. Please wait while iOS file is copying in pen drive. File copy successful. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.